Here is the C major arpeggio. C, E, G, C, E, G, C, G, E, C, G, E, C. Left hand. C, E, G, C, E, G, C, G, E, C, G, E, C. Both hands. Now G major. G, B, D. Left hand. G, B, D. Both hands. And here is the F major triad. F, A, C. F, A, C. Left hand. And both hands. Group 2 arpeggios use the third finger in the left hand. So here's D major, D, F sharp, A. Left hand, D, F sharp, A. Both hands. A major, A, C sharp, E. Left hand, A, C sharp, E. Both hands. Here's E major. Same thing. Black key in the middle. E, G sharp, B. Left hand. And both hands together, E major. And here's B major. B major has two black keys, but same fingering. B, D sharp, F sharp. Left hand. And B major, hands together. This fingering also works for G flat or F sharp major. You're going to use 1, 2, 3 on here as well. All black keys here. Right hand. Left hand. And both hands together. For the group 3 arpeggios, you always put your thumb on the white key in the middle. So here's E flat major, E flat, G, B flat. Start with 2 in the right hand. 2, 1, 2, 4. Left hand, same thing. 2, 1, 4, 2. Both hands. Now A flat major also has a white key in the middle. A flat, C, E flat. Left hand. And both hands. D flat major has an F white key in the middle, so D flat, F, A flat. 2, 1, 2, 4. Left hand. D flat, F, A flat. Both hands. D flat. And B flat major is the only one with black, white, white, but we use the same fingering. 2 first. 2, 1, 2, 4. And left hand, you can use the same fingering. Alternate fingering for this particular one is 3, 2, 1. Let me write that in. 3, 2, 1. So left hand could also go 3, 2, 1. So I'll do hands together in that alternate version. Group 1 arpeggios for the minor keys use all white keys, plus B minor is white, white, black. So A minor, A, C, E, all white keys. Right hand, 1, 2, 3. Left hand, 5, 4, 2. Both hands, A minor. it's white key, black key. 1, 2, 3. D, B, D, F sharp. 1, 2, 3. And left hand, 5, 4, 2. Both hands together, B minor. Group 2 arpeggios use the same fingering as the group 1 arpeggios. So in the right hand, G minor, G, B flat, D, 1, 2, 3. And the left hand, 5, 4, 2. Both hands together. C minor, same fingering, white, black, white, C, E flat, G. 1, 2, 3. Left hand, 5, 4, 2. And hands together, C minor. F minor is the last white, black, white triad for the minor arpeggios. F, A flat, C. 1, 2, 3. Left hand, 5, 4, 2. And both hands together, F minor. The all black triad for the minor is E flat or D sharp, same fingering. 1, 2, 3. Left hand, 5, 4, 2. Both hands together. The group 3 minor arpeggios have a black key, white key, black key configuration. You always put your thumb on the white key. So we start with 2, 1, 2, 4, and F sharp minor. Here's the right hand. 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. Left hand. 2, 1, 4, 2. Both hands together. C sharp minor, same shape, black, white, black. 2, 1, 2, 4. Left hand. Both hands. there's just one arpeggio that has black key, white key. That's B flat minor. For this one, we start with 2,